One of the cool and interesting features of our new brewing system is, and we really do have to keep up with the times, is this convenient web app. But of course, it can also be operated manually if you prefer. Now, I want to demonstrate exactly how to log in. First, we'll download this app onto our device and we'll show you just how easy and straightforward it is. Even Ken Thurgerson can figure it out without any trouble. So the first thing we do is find the app. It's called Tuya Smart. We tap right there on the screen. Then we select Install. Now, we've successfully installed the app. And of course, it's important that you have your brewing system on and your Bluetooth turned on and enabled, because that's the very first signal it needs to send out. Then it should send a signal. That icon should start blinking. Then I tap on App Device. After that, I tap on the icon. First, the device searches for the local network in your area. Once it finds the network, enter your code in the field and press the next button. The installation process will then begin automatically. You will see a small icon on the screen start to fill up, showing the progress of the installation. When the icon is completely filled, the installation is finished and your device is ready to use. At this point, press the Done button to complete the process. After that, the app you installed will appear on your device, ready for you to use. Let me just try to show you. So in here, you can adjust various settings. You can calibrate it. You can calibrate the boiling point, whether it's Fahrenheit or Celsius. And then there's also power model. And this should always be set to B18. B18 is specifically developed for our Brewster Dominator, so it's important that it's always set to B18. In order to begin using the programs, of course, you first have to turn it on. You do it like this. Set up the data, yes. Then the Dominator will also start to respond. And then you can choose either manual or automatic mode. You can go in here and create a mash step, which allows you to further customize the process, including hop steps. You can start the pump with your phone and turn it off again. You can set, the speed of the pump. The speed of the pump here is set up so that it runs in steps. When you get down to these 20 to 30% of the speed, the pump will simply stop. Most pumps will do that, and if they do not, it does not take much before they stop. So that's why we've set it up so that it's adjusted. So now let's try pressing here. Then it will run at 70%, which means it will run for 7 seconds and pause for 3 seconds, and then it will run again. And then you turn the pump off again. It's pretty easy. Then you can go in and set a temperature, either with your fingers, or if you prefer the signs, for example, we can set it to 65 degrees. Okay, 5 minutes, and it should always be set to 3000 watts. And then we press start. Okay, and then it starts, and now it says H for heat, and then it runs. It doesn't get much easier than this. It's really simple and easy to use.